Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a look at the Raynesys 3-in-1 Collapsible Wagon, the ultimate wagon chair combo. Whether you're heading to the beach, camping, or just running errands, this versatile wagon is the perfect companion for all your outdoor adventures. The Raynesys Collapsible Wagon is designed to make your life easier. It folds down to an impressively compact size, taking up 50% less space than most other wagons. Weighing just 12 pounds, it's lightweight enough for anyone to carry, yet strong enough to support up to 220 pounds of weight. The heavy-duty carbon steel frame ensures durability, while the 120L capacity provides ample room for all your items. Setting up the wagon is a breeze. There's no need for tools, simply attach the wheels and you're ready to go. The automatic rebound handle is a standout feature, allowing you to adjust it easily without it touching the ground. No more worries about the handle dragging in the dirt. The 360-degree rotating front wheels give you full control, whether you're maneuvering through tight spaces or across uneven terrain. What makes this wagon truly special is its multifunctionality. Not only is it a sturdy utility cart for groceries, camping gear, or sports equipment, but it can also be transformed into a comfortable bench when you need a rest. Simply fold out the sides and turn your wagon into a convenient place to sit while you take a break. The removable wheels add an extra layer of convenience, allowing you to replace them if needed or even use the wagon as a trunk organizer. The durable 600D Oxford cloth fabric is tear-resistant, making it perfect for outdoor use, and it's easy to clean when necessary. The side zippers allow you to store longer items like fishing poles, camping tents, or umbrellas. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution for transporting heavy loads and finding comfort while you're out and about, the Raynesys 3-in-1 Collapsible Wagon is your go-to choice. Whether you're at the beach, in the garden, or out on a family trip, this wagon will make your journey that much easier. So, if you're ready to make your outdoor experiences even better, this wagon is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews of the best products on the market. Until next time.